Here's how you can clear your Safari history on your iPhone. Start by opening the Safari app. To keep things neat, I recommend closing out all of your open tabs first. At the bottom right, you'll see two squares. Tap and hold on them. Then select Close All Tabs to close everything. Next, to clear your browsing and search history, open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Then, scroll down again until you see the option Clear History and Website Data. This will also clear cache data, cookies, and your browsing history. Tap it, then choose All History to clear everything, or you can select a shorter time frame like today or last hour. Once you've selected your preferred option, tap Clear History to confirm. Keep in mind you can also go to the bottom of the Safari settings and tap Advanced, then Website Data. This shows you specific data stored for individual websites. For example, if you wanted to remove data from Google, just search for it, and you'll be able to clear that specific website's data without wiping everything. And that's it. If this video helped, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching.